In relation to the fashion industry as regards to tourism, I would say that in recent years we've done fashion weeks. You know, before we didn't have like proper fashion weeks in Nigeria. I've showcased in South Africa, New York, London, Paris. I remember when I did a presentation in Florence. That gave back to me having to show my collection in the Dolce & Gabbana store as a collaboration. And I remember very well when the representative of Dolce & Gabbana came to my stand. The first question he asked was were these clothes made in Nigeria? He asked me almost 6 times. He couldn't believe it. So I was very happy and proud to continue to repeat myself over time that yes, they were made in Nigeria by artisans, your local artisans made this. Yes, it was made in Nigeria. You have ateliers in Nigeria that can make this. Yes, they were made in Nigeria. So clearly, if we could have more sort of tourism around in Nigeria, it would really be good. And when I say tourism, already I'm happy we're having fashion shows, like I mentioned earlier on, the Lagos Fashion Design Week, and so many other ones being done in Nigeria today, which for me, we also had Roberto Cavalli come to Nigeria. He was very surprised to see we had proper studios. Imagine, he couldn't believe that, you know, I mean, he came to my studio, he had visited the Olasebo studio, Lisa Folawiyo, Tiffany Amber, and it was just like, wow, this is just like being abroad. Like, I can't believe this. Wow, Nigeria is doing very well. The fashion industry is really grown. So these people actually don't know we have this. So for me, it's about tourism as well. And then I think in future we can have like proper museums. You know, like for instance, as a fashion designer, I've got like old collections, so I can actually have like a museum where I'll have my pieces from the very beginning, maybe 10 years ago, as a show exhibition, and then invite people from all over, you know, different fashion people outside of the country to have a look. And then it's something that would also involve maybe 10 designers every, I don't know, maybe twice a year. You know, and I think that's something we would end up doing, because I can't say it enough. Nigerians love fashion, including the men. In fact, men are becoming very, very, I mean, they really like show themselves in the way they dress. Or recent, there's this whole sort of French suit look, you know, because the fabrics are made out of like suit fabric, and they look really gorgeous in it, you know, they look very dapper and all. So I think when it comes to Nigeria, fashion is just something that is growing in leaps and bounds. And tourism is something that is coming to stay, because the more we go out at these shows, you know, like I said, I don't know where I want to show again, I was not sure, and I thank God for that. And then those coming up are really happy and want to be part of it. So tourism is something that we're looking at very much, very soon. Thank you.